What do we do? Oh my goodness.
Here it is, boys. Here is the most aggressive diffuser you can buy for your Z. What is good, boys? We're back at Lucas's dad's shop with Lucas behind the camera. If you want,
hello.
If you want to twist. So today's the day we've all been waiting for. I've been hyping up this box for like a bit. You guys don't know what it is. Actually, one guy on my Instagram actually guessed it. I don't know how, but anyways, today we're gonna be unboxing and installing in Brittany. Lucas, do you want to take a guess? A turbo kit. Just kidding. We're installing, bro. So many people said eBay turbo kits, boys. I'm not like that. But anyways, we're gonna be installing a diffuser by our bros over at Street Arrow. Huge shout out to them. They're a sponsor of the channel now. Shout out to them for hooking us up with this. I'm so hyped. When I first bought the Z, I've always wanted something like this. So let's stop talking and unbox it. Ugh. Bro, how do you open this box?
I don't know.
Always away from yourself. I don't wanna die. Oh, bro, look at this.
Peanuts.
And you might want to show them, dude. This is like the elephant in the room. This is a C3 Corvette that's completely just gutted. Gutted, I mean.
Yeah, it's gutted.
Dude, that's... Alright, so we don't want to make a mess. Like I just did. Oh, like I'm doing. Alright, listen, Lucas, I'm not perfect. I'm trying, but I'm going to have to make a little mess. We got people screaming in the background.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a special letter. Let's go.
Did it come with stickers?
Won the chance to be featured on our website. Follow us on Instagram.
No stickers?
Bro, no stickers, dude.
No stickers.
Are you kidding me?
What was the point?
A lot of cool people. I know, that's like the only reason why I got this.
Is it? You got an empty box?
Yeah, we good.
Are you sure? That don't look empty.
Alright, as Lucas just said, it looks like we're playing with Legos because we sort of are. I kind of have an idea where it goes, but I don't at the same time. But yeah, so we set everything out and now we're just it's pretty simple. It comes with hardware, which is in here. Oh, gotta open this up. Lucas was sad we didn't get stickers, but
there's stickers.
in the little one, we got stickers and we got a lot of stickers actually. Here we got the hardware. We basically just have to drill into the bumper. It's not that complicated, but we're gonna walk you through. I have no idea what I'm doing. Lucas,
I also don't have any idea.
no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna figure it out. That was sort of like a TJ.
And you guys couldn't watch us. Forgot what we're doing.
All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like. So, I think these parts go around the exhaust. I think this one goes here though.
Is it gonna fit with your big ass?
No, it goes around. With my big tummy. That goes like that.
There you go.
Ooh, yo, this is starting to look pretty cool. I'm excited. It goes like that. Don't want to lose the hardware.
The scary part though.
This 100% goes in the middle. Yeah. This one goes here like that. And then. Alright, I'm gonna warn you guys though, when you're working with this is so sharp. I've literally just scratched myself like 200 times. By the way, we're gonna take off these drills because, as you can see, we should take off this. Because these go in there and we gotta like drill it in the bumper.
Come on, drill. Because if you're gonna drill this onto here,
yeah.
When you drill, whenever you put these screws in, these are gonna stick out, so you need to drill a hole for them too.
Is that good right there?
They would be like
a little more out?
Right here.
You think that's good?
It would be perfect, I think. We're about to.
You know what I'm afraid of though?
Making a whole bunch of holes for no reason. Then I tried drilling holes in my wall to hang my TV, and I just have a whole bunch of holes in my wall.
We did a whoops.
Right.
We did a whoops. Never mind, it wasn't a whoops, but I really do want to show you guys because most YouTubers wouldn't really show you this, but you can see the bolt or the screw right there. but that's because we still got a little bit more to screw in. So now we're gonna do the other side so we have more leverage, and then we're gonna screw everything up. Fingers crossed, it turns out okay.
What we can do after too to try and tighten it more, we can do it by hand after.
I think we hit all of it. I think we got it. This one was much more annoying than you think because we had to like get it on the right length and some bolts didn't want to go in. We might have stripped
all of them.
What do you think, Lucas? What do you think? Bro, that touches the tummy. Nope, it doesn't. Barely. Oh my gosh, it barely clears it. Dude, what? That's actually scary, bro. Alright, so on this one, we didn't pre-drill the holes and we had sort of a hard time, not gonna lie. So here we're gonna pre-drill the hole in this one and it should make it easier. Better not drill into that toe, man. No pressure, no pressure. This is how it's supposed to go. Like that.
Out here.
Well, we can always move this a little more in and
Cause you have
re-drill these holes. That little gap is kind of annoying though. I mean, from up here, I mean, oh my gosh, bro, that looks so good. Wait till you see it. Oh, bro, look at that. Man, what a nicest drilled hole.
Definitely gonna be touching Tome though.
No, it's not touching it at all. Are you going up? It's not touching it. Like if we go up like that, it won't touch it. We just finished. It looks great. I really don't want to show you guys though. I'm gonna show you the final product in a bit, but this looks so good. Final piece is coming together. Ooh, that's a little too out, actually, like way too out.
More in?
Yeah, like that.
How about here?
Yeah, a little more out, a little more out.
A little more?
There you go. Oh my gosh.
Why don't we just...
Actually, let's put it up here, dude. There you go.
Ooh.
Hot boy. Ah!
Where exactly? Like, wherever this middle piece of bumper is.
Haven't filmed them in a bit. We're almost done. We're trying to get this side done. We're still doing like the little fan thing. Then we got the other side and we're basically done. I'm so excited for this. This is looking so sick. And.
About 30 minutes. Daylight savings. It's actually about 6:30 right now. We've been doing this since like 6. What do we do? Oh my goodness.
Bro, that was, not gonna lie, I've done a good amount of things on cars, but this is pretty annoying, especially.
Super annoying.
Alright, but we finished. Here it is, boys. Here is the most aggressive diffuser you can buy for your Z. Look at that, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this angle with the tummy. Woo. Bruh, absolutely killed it. As I was trying to tell you guys, the hardest part was matching this side fin with that side fin. Like, how was that? 1 through 10? Oh my gosh. And another thing I want to ask you guys, like really, this is a really good question. Would you guys think the 2011 Nismo wing would look good with this diffuser now and how aggressive the car looks? Let me know, debating. Lucas, do you, I feel like this wing just goes perfect with the aggressiveness of the diffuser though. I don't know.
I like duck bills.
Alright, this guy's not even. I am literally in love how this head looks. Like, it just perfectly covers up. You guys can't even see. Oh, dude, we forgot something. We forgot to show them.
Oh.
The coolest car that's out here.
Wait. They don't know the half, bro. They do not know the half.
Oh, wait, what? I'm gonna let him do it. I did not know about this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I'm putting you through this. I didn't know this was gonna happen.
I'm sorry, too.
Oh, okay. Alright, I think I'm just out. That's a Corvette, by the way. That's a Corvette, American muscle. This looks so good. What do you think about it, Lucas? You happy with it?
I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it.
Bro, that looks so sick. We did a great job. But I just can't get over this. If you guys are not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe. Because we do sick things like this. We're gonna wake up your shop neighbors.
Go for it. All the heat hit me in the face.
Bro, all I see was Lucas just freaking stand up quick.
I got a heat blast to the face.
But with that said, boys, we're gonna end off today's video. Absolute success. Shout out to Lucas for sticking along here and helping us with it. Another look. Looks amazing. Absolutely love it. Like, insane. Now we're protecting the tailgate. Car looks super aggressive. Comment down below, should I keep this wing and get an Nismo? Lucas, any last words?
Get rid of this wing.
Get rid of this wing? Alright. Alright, peace out, boys. Subscribe, like the video. We're like super tired, but peace out.